My name is Ellie Sanders. I'm a student at Neath College, which is part of MPTC group of colleges. I've just picked up my A-level results and my subjects were German, history, sociology. I'm also part of the GATE programme, which meant I also completed an EPQ. The results I achieved were 2 A stars and 2 A's. I had A stars in history and my EPQ and A's in German and sociology. I am going to continue my studies in Aberystwyth University, from whom I received a scholarship. I'm going to be studying international relations and history. I'm feeling really pleased with my results. I'm very relieved, and I think I can speak on behalf of all students when I say that this has been an agonising wait.